For our next video tutorial, we're going to look at the anterior aspect of the elbow joint, and in particular a stock position known as the BAM position. So by BAM, we're talking about the location of the biceps tendon, which is here, the brachial artery and the median nerve. But we can see from our picture here that it's quite difficult to visualize these structures at this level. First of all, in order to get this position, we want to look for this very distinctive wavy contour of the trochlea of the humerus, with this also very distinctive articular cartilage across the top. Okay, with regard to the other structures that we've mentioned, this is quite a complex area of anatomy, so I always find it easier to actually come a little bit further up the arm to make it easier for these structures to be visualized. We're going to start with the more medial structures, and I'm going to move my probe more proximally and medially up the arm so that we can start to see the median nerve and the brachial artery more clearly in an area where there's less fascia and less other structures which are complicating our picture. So here we have the median nerve, okay, and here we have the brachial artery. We're going to put the Doppler on here so that we can see the brachial artery pulsing away, and I'm going to take the Doppler back off again. Okay, so I'm going to bring these structures now back towards that starting position with the trochlea of the humerus, that very distinctive wavy pattern, and I'm now going to look for my biceps tendon and how we can identify this when there's so much other anatomy going on in our picture. So if I start to come up the middle of the upper arm, and here we're looking at the fascia within the biceps muscle. Okay, so here this is the fascia that's going to start to become the biceps tendon. I'm now going to start to head back again to my starting position. You will see the fascia starting to cluster together and to move more superficial on the screen, and we get the beginnings of the formation of the tendon. At this stage there's hardly any muscle left. Remember that at the level of our elbow joint, biceps really is only a tendinous structure, only a tendon structure. Okay, so by the time we've now returned to our BAM position, this is our biceps tendon, we have our brachial artery and our median nerve. So now that we've looked at them all, we can come back to this position and be really sure of what we're looking at.